Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 28th February current affairs. Welcome to our channel, gear up for Group 1 exam and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get into our current affairs. The first one, today we are celebrating 28th February as the National Science Day. Why we have to celebrate that day, or what is the significance of behind this date? On this day, famous physicist C.V. Raman announced the discovery of the Raman effect, for which he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. He got the Nobel Prize in 1930. Here, if you see the this year's theme for the National Science Day, that is future of science and technology and innovation, impact on education skills and work. Impact on education skills and work. That is about National Science Day. We have to remember great scientist or physics, that is C.V. Raman. Next one, Amazonia 1 satellite. Here it is a proud moment for India, that is Indian Space Research Organization will launch Amazonia 1 satellite of Brazil and 18 co-passenger satellites through PSLV C-51 rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota on February 28th, 2021. Here, this ISRO will launch this Amazonia 1 satellite from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. Here, this PSLV C-15 or Amazonia 1 is the first dedicated commercial mission of New Space India Limited, that is NSIL. New Space India Limited, NSIL. Here, what is the use or what is the observation from this one Amazonia satellite? That is, it is the optical Earth observation satellite of National Institute for Space Research. It is the optical Earth observation satellite of the National Institute for Space Research. That is Amazonia 1 satellite. Next one, Swati Mohan. Who is this lady? We we all know that the world witnessed the historical landing of NASA's Perseverance rover, the most advanced technology laboratory ever sent to the another world, that is to the Mars. Who is behind that one? Among the scientists who are part of this historic mission, Indian American, that is Dr. Swati Mohan also included. Spearheaded the development of attitude control and landing system for the rover. That's why we have to remember or we have to see the about this Dr. Swati Mohan in the success of this landing of NASA's Perseverance rover. Next one, LDC, that is least developed country. Here, the United Nations Committee for Development Policy has recommended graduation of Bangladesh from the category of least developed country as it fulfilled the eligibility criteria in terms of there are three things, that is the first one per capita income, human assets and economic, and final one, third one, that is economic vulnerability. Now it is entered into graduation. Here there are total 46 LDC countries are there. LDC, that is least developed countries. In that, Africa have 33 countries, Asia have 9 countries, Caribbean have 1 country, and Pacific have 3 countries. Here we have to remember there are who surrounded are least developed countries surrounded by India, that is Afghanistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Myanmar are the least developed countries surrounded by India. Here, this is the second consecutive time since 2018 that the CDP has made the recommendation for Bangladesh for graduation from LDC category. That is about least developed country. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.